Today, there are more females in the world as compared to males. In some third world countries like India, where I come from, the female population is less than the male population. And the reason is because of female infanticide and female feticide. There's a program by the name Let Her Die, under the banner Assignment. It came on BBC, where a British reporter by the name of Emily Buchanan, she says that every day more than 3,000 fetuses are being aborted after they identified that they're females. In India alone, more than 3,000 fetuses are being aborted after they identified that they're females. If you multiply this number by 365, the number of days in a year, we get a figure of more than 1 million fetuses are being aborted every year in India after they identified that they're females. And according to the report of the government hospital of Tamil Nadu, out of 10 females born alive, 4 are put to death. If this evil practice of female infanticide and female feticide stops in India, even in India, in a few decades, the female population will outnumber the male population.